welcome to my channel. Here we have a 01 Mazda b3000 that I'm in the middle of doing a rebuild and repaint on, and I figured I would take you guys along with me. As you can see, I've taken the bed off for easy access to everything, and I've already done some test painting. I have already replaced the leaf spring hanger and shackles on both sides. The old ones were pretty nasty. They were riveted on, as you can tell there. I used a metal saw blade to cut them off. It wasn't really that bad. To get this leaf spring bolt out, I heated this end up with a torch, and then I just took a ratchet and it screwed right out, and the bushing came out with it. And today we are going to be putting on brand new shocks and a brand new fuel filler neck, fuel hose, and vent hose. Unfortunately, I won't be able to completely seal off the gas tank until I get the new fuel pump, but that's okay. So let's get into it. We have size 18 socket deep well and size 15 wrench, and we're going to start with the shocks. I have some anti-seize I am going to place on the stud, if I can get it open. These were pretty nasty, so I took some 60 grit sandpaper, cleaned them up a little bit, and then I hit everything with some WD-40, and I wiped up the threads as best as I could. There we go. Slide the new one on. Beautiful. Down here, you'll need to push up on the shock just a little. Oh. Sorry guys, I had to put the phone down for a second. It was being a little bit of a pain. Let's get this tightened up. There we go, we got the bottom nut all tightened up. Now let's get the top tightened up, and this side will be done. There we have it. Now let's do the same thing to the other side. Same thing with this side, a tad bit of anti-seize. Just make sure everything works smoothly. install the new shock. Crank it down a little bit. Alright. I'm going to have to set you guys down for a second. New shock is installed. All that's left is to tighten her up. I will be back as soon as that's done. Both shocks are successfully installed. Now it's time to move on to the next project. As you can tell, this one's pretty rusty and needs replacement. Here is the new one that we will be putting on, along with the brand new hose and vent hose. Alright, we got the old hose off. Get it cleaned up a little bit. Good enough. Right, we have a new hose. Slide right on. Open that up a little. That works. Let me swap this hose clamp around. There we go. Alright, perfect. Tighten it up. Nice and snug. Alright. Now for this other end. Slide it in like so. But make sure you have the hose clamp on first. Alright, now that the fuel inlet is attached, we need to measure and cut the vent hose. It's a little long. There we go. Alright, we have it measured and cut, and now it's ready for when I get a new fuel pump. Unfortunately, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you for stopping by.